Hello, my name's Joe Dorr from Brighton Science, sales representative. You're joining us today in our lab to discuss a question I get often from our customers, and that is, how do our devices handle measuring surfaces with complex geometry? So today, to illustrate its flexibility, I have a glass component here with a concave and convex surface to measure, as well as this can. So to overcome this, it's actually pretty simple. So remove the custom attachment and replace it with another to fit that specific curvature. Begin taking measurements. Now let's flip this over and we'll use our concave attachment. Go back to our convex attachment for this aluminum can. As you can see, it's very simple to overcome complex geometry and visualize the data in BConnect.